is Parrot. Today I will present about runaway paper.
Hello, my name is Dean. My favorite color is orange. My favorite pet is cat. Today I will present about runaway paper.
Hello, my name is Irene. I am 11 years old. My favorite color is blue. Today I will present about runaway paper.
The question is, if we put the soap on our finger and put it down in the bowl that have paper and water inside, what will happen? Roll, pepper, soap, water.
Step 2.
Step 2. Put the water inside the bowl. Next.
Step 3. Put pepper inside.
Oh my god. Oh, the paper will. Put a little bit of soap on finger and put it in the bowl. Put it in the bowl.
3,
2,
1.
Look. Look, the paper make it in the circle shape now.
It looks like a magic.
The science is really fun.
See you. Bye bye.